Hi there, Jennifer here. Today I'll share how a Moebius twist works and how we can use it to crochet a cowl with some interesting color work. As you can see in the photos here, whether you wear it wrapped double around your neck or in a long single loop, the Moebius twist gives the cowl an elegant shape. Simply put, to crochet a Moebius cowl from the center out, an extra twist is added before joining the two ends of a foundation chain. This creates a continuous loop, allowing us to work outward on both the top and bottom in each round. When you pair this technique with a gradient yarn, as I've done here in my ribbon lace cowl, the various colors are mirrored on the top and the bottom. I'll be using this particular cowl pattern to demonstrate the Moebius twist throughout the tutorial, and I'll leave a link to the pattern in the description. I thought I'd do a quick little demonstration of how a Moebius twist works using this just long strip of brown craft paper. So typically when we take a strip and we join two ends just straight like that, we end up with just a typical loop or tube. So for instance, when we're crocheting in the round, we just go around and around and around and we end up with a tube. Now to create a Moebius twist, instead of just joining them straight like that, we're actually going to twist one side first. So let me grab my tape and show you what that does. So again, when I'm joining my two ends, instead of just joining them like that, I'm going to twist one side and then tape it like so. And what this has done is it's created a continuous loop. So as you can see, we kind of have an infinity symbol here. And for the purpose of our cowl, or if you're doing an infinity scarf, this Moebius twist allows us to work around both the top and the bottom with every round. So let me show you what that's like. So we have the tape on the top here, let's keep that in mind. And I'm actually going to trace my finger along the top edge all the way around the cowl. And I'll actually, you'll see how we're going to end up on the bottom at one point, and then continuing around, we'll end up right back up here at the top. So I'm going to trace all the way around the top edge of this strip, this joined strip. And now we've reached the back side, actually. So if you look here, that's where we were, that's where we started. And now we're on the bottom, and this is actually the back side of the strip. So I'm going to keep going. Sorry about this rustling. Keep going, tracing the top edge. And eventually, we'll return to where we started. I hope this demonstration has helped you to see how a Moebius twist works. Next, I'll go over how to work the setup round to achieve the Moebius twist for our cowl. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more crochet techniques, tips, and tutorials, and check out the links in the video notes for more ways to find me and my patterns.